Well, that side's okay.
Yeah.
You know, that side isn't.
Ho, ho, ho.
And the
There's
reason,
our knock, knock, knock.
And the reason for it, well, we caught it before it spun, to the best of our knowledge.
That's good.
Where are you? You should be in this pile. Oh, crap.
Ah, the pile of crap.
And of course, people were utterly mystified by, there it is. And here's why.
Oil pan gear, oil pump gear. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Quick little science. This will be like video 7 for last night, by the way.
Nah, I don't need that right now. It's already
Wow.
What are you wowing about?
Look at how scored that is.
That's not bad compared to the other one I showed you.
Yeah.
And the cover isn't bad, but this, look at that.
Oh, no, oh, no,
Okay.
no.
That is supposed to have a 3 to 6 thousandths, and that's 30 thousandths.
Easily.
So that's where the problem was. At idle, this engine wasn't getting oil pressure.
Any, basically. Well, next to none.
Yeah, so she was going metal to metal. These aren't bad. They're not the best. I don't think they're great. It's just a question of I already ordered journal bearings 10 under, and these are 10 under. I haven't ordered mains, but you know, they're not that bad. And it's not like it's going to get raced.
No.
So I think we're just going to put it together with, and this was replaced. You can tell it's even a different color.
Yeah.
So
Still a little sloppy.
it's not bad though.
No.
You know, you put a fresh one on, it's going to be about the same after you turn it over 4 times.
I wonder if somebody's got a double roller we could pop on there. Probably not, because non-existent.
It's a 226. It's
Yeah.
hard to find parts for as it is. This was the real problem.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking a fresh set of bearings, and a fresh set of bearings, a fresh set of rings using the stock pistons. We'll hone it and we'll button it back up. Oh, and I already ordered the pump. I found one, an NOS pump complete for, I don't know, $52.
That's a good deal. We'll take it.
Yeah, it was cheap. It was, you know, 52 or 53. It wasn't much.
All right.
I gotta find main bearings. The pricey thing is gonna be redoing the head.
Yeah.
Because it should get hardened seats. And we'll go from there.
Alrighty.
No, it's all in all, it's better than I thought it was. I thought we were on the verge of spinning a rod bearing. We probably were. But I pulled this one apart because in 6s, it's usually right here where you have the problem.
Yeah, because you're so far back, for one.
Yeah, the inline 6s, they don't have problems with this one, but this one, typically they have problems with. Look at the counterweights on this. It's crazy. It's like it's spinning an anvil. So, yeah, that's the story.
All
This
right.
is the beastie that needs administration. One's on order and will be here shortly. I got to get gaskets, rings, and main bearings.
Not bad. So next week, we probably tear it down the rest of the way and get them to start cleaning.
Pretty much.